My name is Abigail Eileen Artiaga Magana, and this is...
I am Kira. You saw me in the pumpkin video last time.
We name it the Chocolate Spoon Puppy. So this is yay! We got him! Before you place your licorice, you might want to pinch it and kind of twist it a little bit with your fingers to make it easier when you tie it around your spoon. The chocolate pieces that you set aside, go ahead and melt them. And so once you take them out, get a spoon and imagine the chocolate as glue. Because look, the spoon will capture the melted chocolate. What we're gonna do is we're gonna set it. So let's put that one right there. And the other one. So there. Oh, we're gonna place it right in the middle, and I'm going to place it really carefully. And there you go. Please subscribe down below, click the bell, and give us a thumbs up.